Intel's X710-T4 Ethernet Converged network adapter provides low-cost 10 gigabit Ethernet performance throughout data centers and backward compatibility with existing 100 and 1000 base T networks to simplify the transition to 10 gigabit Ethernet and address the demands of next-generation agile data centers. The adapter is based on the Intel Ethernet controller X710 and features 4 10G base T RJ45 ports, enabling the use of standard Cat6a cabling for maximum system density. The X710-T4 supports network and server virtualization and intelligent offloads for optimized performance and efficiency. Intel's Ethernet Flow Director is an advanced traffic steering capability that significantly increases transactions per second and reduces latency in cloud applications.